Hello, welcome to I Love Patch Flowers Masterclass with Vijay Israni. Our expert today, Vijay, is a patch flowers therapist, of course, breakthrough coach, spiritual researcher, and above all, a transformer. A computer engineer turned healer, Vijay has helped at least 5,000 people in less than 4 years in the areas of health, wealth, relationships, and from there on, he has just built on one success to another. With Vijay, even a casual conversation can turn out to be a major transforming factor in your life. Ask me, I've had some great conversations with him for this masterclass. And he's the co-owner of the spiritual company Sattva Kirani, along with his mother, the lovely, revered Kavitaji Israni. Vijay, we are very excited to have you with us today. Welcome.
Thank you so much for the beautiful words, Shilpa. Thank you and good morning to everybody. Good morning and welcome everybody to this I Love Batch Flowers. Yeah, Shilpa.
All right. So, Vijay will quickly tell people what we are going to cover on today's call. So, on today's call, we are going to get introduced to 38 patch flowers, and each of these flowers has some benefits. So Vijay is going to take us through them, and we'll see what all do patch flowers work on, and you'll be surprised there are some unique situations for which they actually have remedies. I mean, you'll be very surprised that how come I didn't think of this. And then Vijay is going to tell us why every household must have a Batch Plus specialist. You don't want to miss this. And then we are going to have some demos where Vijay can help you about what you can do about your situation. And then those of you who have taken the emotional quotient test or the stress test, which we had sent on email and we had posted on the Telegram group, Vijay is going to decipher what the numbers or what the score means for us. And for the stress, he's going to give us a very sweet do-it-yourself remedy. I'm so looking forward to that. So it's going to be a great class, everyone. Welcome once again, and we are ready to begin. So Vijay, what is it about batch flowers, and why have just a few of us heard about this modality before?
So before we begin, can we just close our eyes and connect to the divine within? Because every masterclass, every summit, every healing program, be it a free or a paid program, it is only the divine that works through it. It is only the divine grace that has to flow through that modality. The modality and the person, the therapist, is just a medium, but it is a divine. It is, after all, a divine work. So just let us close our eyes for a minute and just connect to any of the divine, uh, idols or any form of divine which you connect to. It can be angels, archangels, it can be your higher self, it can be to any gods, goddesses. Just connect to them to get you the most out of this 1 hour, 1.5 hour session. Because it has to go within you. It is not the ears which have to listen, the soul which has to listen to this. And it is because this is such a deep and a beautiful remedy that unless and until the soul recognizes it, you probably would kind of leave it there. And as we connect to the divine, let us also connect to Dr. Edward Batch. Of course, he's no more now, but then he's the person who had got this into existence, and he was an evolved soul who had gone through many life issues, and in his search of solving his life issues and his illnesses, he came across these beautiful flowers. So let us just connect to Dr. Edward Batch also, even if you have not seen his photo or whatever it is, just connect to the energies. And let us have at least a 30 seconds or a 60-second of connection within. Beautiful. Can we all slowly open our eyes?
Thank you, Vijay, for starting with that.
Thank you. Thank you, Shilpa. So your question was, why have many not heard of batch
Hmm.
flowers? Yeah. So there are quite a few reasons for it. I'll just cover and touch up on the major things.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Many actually are not aware of batch flowers today because many of them, they don't know that they work so easily. In fact, when I was around what 15 or 20 years back, I was probably in a workshop wherein at that time somebody had told me, do you know that there are remedies today which is for happiness, which is to come out of fear, which is to come out of anger. And at that time, my state of mind was not that I could take or digest all these. I thought probably this might be some induced drugs or something of that sort. So I didn't pay attention to it. So many do not know that this works so easily and so beautifully on the mental emotional side, on the mental emotional side of you. Many do not probably know that the mental emotional side is you itself. That means you are your emotions. And whatever happens outside is only a byproduct of your or a mirror of your emotions or whatever you're feeling inside. And that is where it becomes very important to understand this modality, because till the time you do not understand it, the importance will not be created. And that is why many have not heard of batch flowers. These flowers, they complement all the other healing modalities as well. And moreover, the most important thing, the advantage with patch flowers is that uh, you do not require a medical practitioner's degree for it. So you can be it. I'm a bachelor therapist, but I'm not a doctor. But I'm a therapist. So anybody and everybody can become a bachelor therapist. And there are these lesser known things because people feel probably you need a medical practitioner's degree and all that to become a bachelor therapist. So because of that, people have not moved ahead. And moreover, most importantly, this is such an effective and a cost effective and economical remedy that there are quite a few healers also. In fact, when I've come across, they say ki they feel okay, 500 may 1000 may pills hai. So what is the earning in that? So there are some people who feel that if there is no earning, then it is not worth it because it automatically resolves the problem. And that is why some people have their own notions about it and their own ways to look at it. So these are some of the reasons why actually uh, we have not heard of batch flowers before. But let me tell you, once you get into it, you will say that this is one of the beautiful things that has happened to you.
Yes, and I agree with that, and we'll come to know why at the end of this call. So, Vijay, what exactly are batch flowers, and what are the ways in which we can use batch flowers? Like, are they pills or are they drops? What are they?
So batch flowers are actually essences or remedies. They were called as remedies, but in a way, we all are much conversant with the term essences. So let's use
Mm-hmm.
essences as the terminology. So these are essences of 38 flowers, which are generally found in the US, the UK, Canada, Europe, that side. And these are flowers from the tree. And Dr. Edward Batch in around the 1930s, like how this came into existence in around the 1930s, from 1928 to 1936, 30, 32. He actually found out he was a microbiologist. He was a bacteriologist. He was a pathologist. He was a physician. So in his whole journey, he found out that whenever he used to, and he was a homeopath also, that he used to give a particular medicine to someone, but then these people, they actually came back after 3 months. They got healed, but then they used to come back after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months with the same or probably a similar ailment or things like that. So it is there that he started his journey into understanding as to what it is that beyond what I know exists in nature, which would be able to heal these things. And in that search, he actually got down into searching these 38 remedies. And in
Mm-hmm.
this, he does not say that I have discovered or I have invented, rather, I have not invented these remedies. These remedies existed even before I knew it. The only thing is that I discovered the properties of these and I brought it about with mankind. So these are 38 flowers, and these flowers have the power to heal your emotional states. And they are so easy. You just, whenever there is a batch flower tree, you go there and you actually pluck out the flowers and then you dilute it through a method, through the sun method or through the boiling method. And the water holds the vibrations. And this water actually becomes an essence of that particular flower. So that is the way he found out the 38 remedies. He tried it out on himself and a few close knit people, and then he actually came out with the theory that this is a flower that affects this, this is a flower that affects us. Of course, which we'll be seeing further. So that is how he came to the conclusion how the Bach flowers were actually came into existence for people like us.
All right. So you're saying they can be used as pills, they can be diluted in water, and they can be had. And there are like how many more ways you can have use Bach flowers?
Yeah, so there are 10 different ways in which you can use Bach flowers for benefiting you in the best possible way. So as you said, yes, one, it is made in pills. Now, when we talk about pills, generally when you see the homeopathic pills, they are referred to as homeopathic pills, but then they are not homeopathic pills, they are sugar pills. So they are made of sugar, and whatever essences you put in these pills, they hold on to those essences. So that is why the Bach flowers are made in those pills, which are the sugar pills. So that is the most common methodology in which people use worldwide. The second thing is that it can be used in water. You can just put some drops, a few drops in water once you know the proper composition of what is what, and then that way also you can keep sipping it, you can keep drinking. And then the Bach flowers can, all the 38 flowers are used as switch words. So the power of these flowers is such that even if you utter the word or take the name of these flowers, automatically you come in the vibration of those flowers. So that is the third way in which you can benefit from the Bach flowers. So there are 10 different ways. Of course, these are three, and then 7 more we discuss in the workshop. So these are some of the ways in which you can take it, and other ways also which we can look at in the workshop.
I'm so excited to know how else we can use these. It's really intriguing. So, Vijay, you mentioned earlier that they work on our emotions. So, what do they really work on? What do you mean when you say they work on our emotions? So, what all do they work on really?
So they work on your fear, anxiety, depression, loneliness, anger issues, loneliness we have already covered, stress, addictions, guilt, and then separations, worry, infections, indecision, uncertainty of mind, what to do, this to do, that to do, and there are so many more emotions which we all go through so many emotions, and probably when you get into the class you will come to know, oh, this is also an emotion. I was not knowing it at the first day. So there are so many emotions, and so this works beautifully on the mental emotional states. And also, if you see, going beyond this, most of the disease which Dr. Bach at that time he revealed, and which was, of course, in the study of Louis Hay, she also came to the conclusion, that was her discovery by herself, that most of these diseases we go through, illnesses, are psychosomatic. That means they originate in the mind. So there are so many diseases which are psychosomatic. So when you heal the mental emotional states, automatically the disease, the illness, it gets healed. There are so many illnesses which do not get healed because the root mental cause has not been adhered to, or it has not been catered to. Now, let me give you a very simple example here. There are people who actually get cancer. We know there are so many people who get cancer. There are quite a few who come out of it also. They fight back, and then they do all the stuff what is required, and then they come out of it. But then if you see, around 8 to 10% of these, they get cancer again. Now, the reason behind it is the cancer has been healed, the cells have been nullified, but then the fear of cancer has not been healed, which means that this fear which is there, because if there is a particular symptom which shows up, which is not necessarily a cancer symptom, but some uneasiness somewhere in the mind, this person starts to believe, whether will I have cancer again, or is it that the cancer has recurred back? This thought itself is a culprit, and that is why many a times these illnesses they repeat. And why they repeat is because the illness has been dealt with, but then the fear or the charge which is there in the mind, that has not been dealt with. So that needs to be dealt with, because even if you're doing a normal kind of a healing, you would always say, okay, my cancer is healed, I'm healed. But then the fear also and the charge of this also has to be healed, because only then that you can say that the complete holistic healing has happened, wherein that illness probably is not going to return. So that is how it works actually. So that is where batch flowers have that X factor, which helps you to heal these mental emotional states.
Really fascinating, Vijay. And we can't wait really. You have a presentation for us. Will you be able to share with us, how many flowers, which flowers help us with what benefits? Can you take us through that?
Yes, yes. So let
Yeah,
me. I have the
sure.
screen share, right?
Or yeah, you do.
I have. Okay, great.
Yeah. And I'd like to share with everyone that we are going to share this presentation as a PDF in the call replay email. So, it's okay if you miss out reading anything, it's going to come to your email. So please, Vijay.
Yeah, yeah. My screen visible, na?
Yes. Thank you, Vijay, for sharing that.
Yeah, thank you, Shifa.
It was like really a good summary, and there are some really interesting unknown flowers there. Quickly, Vijay, Shivani and Bakshi have questions. I think they were already covered in the PowerPoint presentation. Bakshi is asking which is the batch flower remedy for loneliness.
Yeah.
And Shivani is asking what is the remedy for anger and aggressive behavior in children?
Okay. So for loneliness, one of the remedies is water violet. It's called water violet. And for anger and aggression, we will come to that section as we move on,
Sure.
because
Yes.
when we talk about anger, as a layman, we talk about just anger, but when we get deep into the mind thing, you come to know that there are 9 different types of angers, and I'll take you there as we go.
All right. So, Vijay, for now, can you just take us through a few flowers? I mean, I know 38 flowers are a lot and we can't cover them all today, but can you take us through a few flowers and tell us, what we can do with these flowers?
Okay. So one flower is okay. There are a lot of people here who have their children and they are worried about their children and things like that. So one of the flowers which come to my mind is called chestnut bud. Now, this is a flower which helps you in concentration. And this is a very good remedy for students, people who are studying, or for that matter, any age group who are studying, who need to be more focused and concentrated. This is a flower which will help you to come out of escapism. Now, what is escapism? Now, escapism is, if you see, if there is your child, and if early morning you wake him up, and if he doesn't want to go to school, what he would say, my head is aching, I have a headache, or I have a stomach ache, my leg is paining, or whatever it is. So he tries to give excuses. So this is a flower which will help him to come out of escapism. So there is no excuses. You are like straight on. This is a flower for slow learners also. That means if you are a student and you're learning very slow or you're making frequent mistakes, then this flower can help you a great deal. So this is also called a student's flower.
Okay.
This flower is to learn life lessons fast. Now, we all know that we all come to learn 12 life lessons, and these are one of the most difficult things to crack after our karma and our ancestral karma. So, when you need to learn your life lessons and you're not able to learn that particular lesson, then it is chestnut bud which will help you to learn your life lessons. And that is why chestnut bud can also be used as a remedy if you're making a shani ka sade sati ka combination, or a shani ka period is going on, a challenging period, because generally the shani period is shani, it is said that he always tests you. There are a lot of life lessons which you learn in the shani period. So it is chestnut bud being one of the flowers in that which can be used. It can help you to learn the life lessons fast, and hence not necessarily go through all the things, all the turmoil in your life, which probably you would have gone through. So that is one very beautiful this thing advantage of using chestnut bud, or benefit rather of using chestnut bud. One more thing about chestnut bud is that, and this is at an advanced level, this is also called the honesty flower. So tomorrow, if you're going to meet someone who you do not know whether that person is a good person, bad person, honest person, dishonest person, when you go and meet him, and when you take chestnut bud and go and meet him, automatically he will be in the aura of honesty which you have taken. So he will be in that aura, and that person will behave honestly with you. So this is a very beautiful remedy in such cases whenever you're going to meet someone and you do not know as to whether I should be trusting him or not to trust him, or whatever it is, you're confused. So you can just take the chestnut bud flower, and you can go there and you can meet him. And it is there that this works so fantastically well. So
amazing.
so that's what chestnut bud is about. And
All
there are
right.
quite a few who have actually students who have actually shown a lot of concentration, etc. after taking the chestnut bud. They are not into the escapism mode. They actually start studying when they take it, because and they learn their lessons faster than they normally would. So that way it affects students a lot, and of course elders also, to for all those people who need to learn their life lessons quick.
Vijay, Ipsa is asking, please tell how to achieve victory in court case. Do you think this flower will help her, the chestnut?
Yeah, so this can help you in a way that if you feel that your lawyer the lawyer which you have hired, or the other person lawyer, or the other lawyer, or any other person is not behaving honestly with you. So the first thing what you can do is that take chestnut bud and you can go there, because when you go
Right.
there, automatically an aura. And of course, if a lot of people are dishonest there, so you need to take it for a longer period of time,
Mm-hmm.
probably for 8 days, 10 days, 15, 20 days. So whenever you go there, automatically an aura of honesty is developed. And that way, like it can help you. Of course, there are other remedies also, which we
Mm.
see that in details in the workshop. But then
Right.
this remedy particularly can help this way.
I mean, this is fantastic. I mean, I don't have to give this to anybody. I have to take it and things
Yes.
just change for me. It's
Yeah. When
brilliant.
you take, other person behave honestly with you. That is the beauty, because everything
Mm.
lies within you.
Right.
So
Yes.
there is one more flower,
Uh-huh.
Shilpa, I would like to take you into.
Please.
This is called the walnut flower. Now this is the same walnut dry fruit which we eat.
Yeah, I was
The
just going
flower.
to ask that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So the flower from that same tree, it's a very tall tree, flower from that the same tree. Now, this is a very beautiful flower, and this is actually called the Ganpati, or the Ganesha of all the flowers. So this has to be taken first up, like whenever we start any prayer, or whenever we do any thing, we actually start with Ganpati prayer, isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? So whenever there is a new thing which is happening in your life, you have to start by taking walnut. So walnut helps you if you have shifted to a new home. Walnut helps you if you have shifted to a new place, or you are going through any kind of transitions like menopause, or like a child from school to college. So, or if there are any adjustments to be made. So all these things are catered to by walnut. Walnut is also called the link breaker. So if there is someone who's not good for you and you start taking walnut, so this can help you to break links with them. And it is also for adjustments. So tomorrow, if you want to build a rapport with somebody, walnut is the flower. Of course, other flowers are also there along with that in the combination, but this is one of the key flowers in that, which you need to take, and you will be able to build a rapport beautifully with the other person once you start taking this. So that is the beauty of walnut. Going still further, walnut can help you break tumor cells also,
Oh, wow.
because walnut is the breaker. And walnut is also to help you, it will also help you to protect yourself from negative and external influences. So Romans, they dedicate this flower to their god Jupiter. That is the value of walnut which they have within them. So these are some of the things, some of the benefits which
Mm-hmm.
walnut holds. So that way, walnut is a very important, because in a lot of life situations you require walnut with you, of course, with the other flowers as well. So that is where walnut comes into the third
Mm-hmm.
remedy. The third
Vijay,
remedy,
quick
yes,
question. Rajni asked, is there any treatment for cancer? So walnut along with other remedies.
yeah. It is, so this is the bachelor treatment is not a very direct treatment wherein it will
Mm.
address the illness directly. It is about the mental emotional states. So number
Right.
one, you have to do the consultation as to what it is.
Mm.
And then, yeah, there are a lot of batch flowers which can help you in this. Like, for example, walnut is one which will help to break the tumor cells and all. So that way
Yeah.
it can help you to break those cells which are not required. So of course, that way you need to proceed. It is not a direct 1+1 thing. Okay, this particular thing is for this. You need to
Mm.
counsel, do the consultation, and then you give the
Right.
flowers. And but then definitely the whatever extra treatment is going on, the current treatment is going on, brother. You should not stop that. This
Mm.
complements those treatments.
Sounds perfect. And the best thing is that it goes along with anything else you're doing, any other treatment that you're doing.
Anything,
That's
anything
fantastic.
else. There is one remedy. There is one
Mm-hmm.
remedy which, of course, is a major takeaway for everybody. If you're, this is called the rescue remedy. So many of you have heard of batch flowers. You all know what exactly. You all might have heard of the rescue remedy quite
Mm-hmm.
on and off. So rescue remedy is a combination of 5 batch flowers which Dr. Batch discovered in his deep study, and he combined these 5 batch flowers and then termed it as rescue remedy. So it is known as a rescue remedy. This is the 39th. This is not a flower. This is a combination of 5 flowers. So this is the 39th batch flower, you can
Okay.
say in a way. So rescue remedy helps in emergency cases. So if there is something suddenly which happens to any member in the family, now what you do is that you call up the doctor till the IV comes, or you do your necessary basic stuff and all. So it is here that rescue remedy is like a first aid kit.
Mm.
Let me share a quick testimony here, or a quick experience of a person. Now, there was
Please.
this lady.
Mm-hmm.
Her name was Harsha. I think she did the bachelor long back. This was around 5-7 years back. She did a bachelor workshop from me, and I had told her at that time, and I always recommend whenever you all do a workshop with me, that you all should always carry a bottle of rescue remedy with you. So she used to always carry it in her purse wallet. So one day it so happened that she went to the bank in Borivali. She stays in Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
She went to the bank, and there in the bank, suddenly the bank manager collapsed, and everybody saw it. So everybody was rushing, and then some people, they called up the ambulance and things like that. So it is at that time that this lady Harsha, she went forward, and as the she was in a semi-conscious state, the bank manager, she laid down there in a semi-conscious state, and she was slipping into unconsciousness. So it was at that time that she poured 3-4 drops from the rescue remedy onto in her mouth. And immediately, within not even a minute, this manager, this lady, she got up actually, and she got up and she walked towards the ambulance which had come, and in the ambulance she
Oh
went.
my God.
And then after 2 days, 2-3 days, this lady, she went to the bank, and then the bank manager called her, and she asked her, "Are you the same lady who gave me those some drops you put in my mouth the other day when I was collapsing?" Harsha said, "Yes, I was." And she said, "Thank you so much, because I was actually sinking. I didn't know what was happening to me. I was sinking. And then as soon as these drops went inside me, I don't know, something happened, that a flash of lightning kind of came, and then I just woke up as if nothing had happened. Then they took me to the hospital. Then there was a minor heart arrest, and of course, which has
Wow.
been done with now, and I'm on medications, and things are much better. So that is how the rescue remedy, it helps in saving people's lives, and in emergency situation, it acts like a divine potion.
Really. Thank you, Vijay, for sharing that incredible story. You know, it is unbelievable. Thank you so much. And Vijay, we have a lot of questions for you. We'll quickly take them on. Uh, Menika is asking, I think I can answer this. What is the dosage of these batch flowers? Uh, Vijay, you will teach this
Yeah,
to
that is covered
in
in
your
there.
workshop, right?
There are so many ways to take, and everything will be touched upon in details.
Right. You know, it's better not to just go to a store, which was another, which is a repeated question, Vijay. Where do we get these remedies, or where do we get these flowers? I mean, how do we procure them is one of the questions.
So you get it from any homeopathic stores. Any homeopathic stores you go, they will have those batch flowers. Now, of course, there are which batch flowers to take, how to mix, and all those things require professional knowledge. But then, yeah, on the face of it, you can go to any homeopathic store, and you can get the batch flowers.
That's good, you
And
know,
of course,
because
even if you take it, and even if you don't know how to go about it, so even if you actually gulp down a whole bottle of batch flowers, the concentrated, there is no side effect at all. Even if you have gone and you have taken a wrong batch flower, you
wow,
wanted a chestnut bud and you've got a walnut. So of course, when you take it, so that thing will not give you the benefit of the chestnut bud, but when you take it, it will give you the benefit of walnut, but it will not, it does not have any kind of side effects at all. So you have to be least bothered with batch flowers.
that is so reassuring. It's like you can't go wrong with batch
You can't go
flowers.
wrong with that.
All
Absolutely.
right. Vijay, another repeated question. Can you share something with people to improve relationship? Any remedy for that?
We actually, in the workshop, we have a pack which is called the Harmony Pack.
Okay.
So what all flowers are used in that, we actually give the name of all those flowers. So you
All
can
right.
just blindly mix all those,
Mm-hmm.
and you can give it, and that is a must have for your full family. You can even put it in the pot of water, and you keep drinking water from it. Automatically, slowly and steadily, you will enter into a state of harmony. In fact, there is, as you go on in the higher level, at a higher level, level 2 and all, you even have a spray which you just spray it on the walls of your house, and automatically, slowly and steadily, and you intake also, the harmony
Mm-hmm.
will start to return back in the house.
Vijay, I'm getting more and more excited as this call is progressing. We have more details coming up, everyone. And for those who are looking to improve relationships, Vijay has a very sweet do-it-yourself remedy he's going to share towards the end of this call. So stay here. It's really beautiful. Vijay will move on to some more quick questions.
Yes.
Yeah, we mentioned about the dosage. It's specific. Vijay has mentioned that, and Divya is asking, can this help her dad who's age 71 for his lower backache?
Now the lower backache, we need to know as to what the
Right.
mental emotional
Yes.
state is. Generally lower backaches are because of money worries.
Mm-hmm.
Generally they are because of money worries, of course. So once we get into a consultation, because batch flowers go very deep, and as I move on, I will actually share with you the nine reasons why people get angry. There are more than 9 reasons why people they get sleepless at night. They are not able to sleep, whereas in the other medications or other ways, we just feel that okay, I'm not able to sleep, it is a sleeplessness or an insomnia, whatever it is. But when you go down deep into the mind, you come to know that there are more than 9 reasons why people don't get sleep, and I'm going to share that with you as we move on. So it has to be very specific. So there is no particular remedy or no particular flower which would say, okay, I have a knee pain, this is it. Yeah, you have to get into what are the reasons. And of course, the Louis Hay book, mental causes for physical ailments. And in fact, there is so much of knowledge which is available as to which mental state, which organ or which illness is connected to what mental state. Once you know those connections, or when you refer those connections, you are in a much better position to heal that particular person. So that's how it works.
Yeah. And Vijay, this is very important, because it's not that you just take a pill and take care of the symptoms, but you're actually working at what has caused it, and then you just take it away from the root cause. So this is really crucial for us to understand.
And that is why it becomes a foolproof method. Absolutely
foolproof. Seriously.
And one thing which I'm reminded at this time is that Dr. Batch himself had said in the 1930s, he said, batch flowers can never fail. A batch flower therapist can. So these flowers, they can never fail. These he called it as divine flowers. These are 38 divine flowers. In fact, if you see one of the testimonies, one of the persons who had actually done the workshop, she said these are 39 doors to open up the mind. Beautiful. To reach that state of evolution.
Wow. Everyone, you have been putting your issues on the group. If batch flowers can help these issues, so go ahead and put your questions on the group. After the call, Vijay is going to be there on the Telegram group with us, and he's going to answer each and every question, if what can be the solution for you, what you can do about your concern. So don't worry if any of the questions are missed right now on the call. Which is a very important question. Is there a particular age group of people who can use these remedies? Love is asking.
There is no age group. Even newborn babies can take. Even newborn babies can have. The methodology of taking with newborns is different. But then even newborns can take. Even when baby is in the mother's womb, when you start taking batch flowers from that time, the baby, when it is born, it will be born in a much better way than it normally would have, because the baby generally carries all the emotions of the mother. Whatever the mother is going through in these 9 months, the baby is going to carry that and become that. We all know that. So it is here that when a mother takes remedies in these 9 months, of course, or from the time once she comes to know that I'm carrying, from that time onwards till the last day, if you go on taking batch flowers, it is going to help the child the coming child, the baby who's going to be born, miraculously, because it is going to be relieved of a lot of things which the mother is carrying. Super.
Last question for now, Vijay. Radhika is asking, what is the difference between homeopathy essence and batch flower essence?
So homeopathic is the essences of plants and minerals. There are many plants and minerals. So homeopathy is the essence of plants and minerals, which they put it in
Hmm.
sugar pills or and water and they give it. Batch flower is the essence of these 38 flowers. So that is the primary difference. The pills are the same, the sugar pills. So that is just a medium to carry the essences. But then here, batch flowers, these are the 38 flowers, and in homeopathy, it is the plants and minerals.
All right. That sounds quite
But then let me tell you
something.
here,
Mm-hmm.
Shilpa,
Mm-hmm.
since this question has been asked, there are many homeopathic doctors today who use batch flowers without naming them, of course. They use batch flowers because for the mental emotional states, there is nothing better than batch flowers. So they use it as batch flowers, and because the preparation is the same, they would just give it.
Mm. Yeah.
So that is also what happens. And there are many homeopathic doctors who have actually taken up this course and they have learned batch flowers from me, and they are doing it.
Mm. All right. Uh, an urgent question has come up. Vijay Vinu is asking if autism can be, helped with patch flowers. And, this brings us to the point if such cases in children, can they be helped with patch flowers?
They can be helped definitely, but then of course you need to complement it with other healing modalities, to be very frank, because I would not like to give any
Mm.
kind of false promises or notions here. You have to combine with other this thing, because this does not address the state immediately, but then wherever whatever emotions the child is feeling,
Mm.
he is becoming that. So first is we need to heal those kind of those emotions. So till the time those are not healed, the external medication, whatever you're doing, it is not going to work out. So it is here that when you heal with the batch flowers, the external medication will also start to show its effects, and that is how it works. That is how it works. It works in tandem. Of course, there are quite a few things wherein the batch flowers can address directly also some illnesses which it would address directly also. Like
Mm.
just yesterday there was a lady called Shanu. She had done the flowers and then she messaged me. She's there in the group and she messaged me that she was having an allergy. She's having an allergy since quite a long time. And then she took the flowers for, and at night there was a workshop. So day before yesterday, I think she asked me in the daytime, and then she had the kit and all everything she learned from me. So yesterday when we met in the class, she told me that 70% of my allergy is gone and my throat is feeling much better. So that is the way also it works.
Yeah, thanks for sharing, Vijay. And quickly, everyone, I'd like to share here that any physical problem that you're facing or your loved one is facing, patch flowers will help that. But the main thing which Vijay has been sharing with us is that, we need to understand the emotional causes and why they are actually showing up. And then patch flowers will be able to help you with not just the emotions that are coming up, but also with the physical manifestation. So it's very important to remember that. Please keep your questions coming in. Vijay will address them after the call. For now, let's move on,
Can I
Vijay.
share one more thing, Shilpa?
Please
Since
do.
this you have just shared this,
Please.
so let me give you examples,
Mm-hmm.
real-time examples. Now, if there is a knee pain,
Mm.
so knee pain is actually connected to rigidity.
Okay.
It is generally connected to rigidity, and because you in your thoughts are rigid, the knee, it is not flexible, it is rigid. So what happens is that, and beautifully you see how nature plays up. As you grow on becoming old, your thoughts become all the more rigid, right? And that rigidity is actually the quotient of the rigidity is increasing, and that is why as people get old, they actually get knee pains. That is the first thing they get. Even if they don't have any kind of illness, they would get knee pain. So from a medical perspective, you would say that okay, because of the age factor, the knee is paining. But then the other person
Mm.
who's the same age, 65, his knee is not paining. Why is your knee paining? So yes, the age factor to a limit it is there, but the majority of that is because of the rigidity. So there is a flower called rock water.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you take this flower, that will help you to come out of your rigid. Of course, there is a combination also, but this is one of the major flowers to be used in the combination, which will help you to come out of rigidity. That is how you treat the knee issues. Now, for example, if there is a fear, if there is a kidney issue, so we all know that kidney is related to fear. So then there is mimulus, there is aspen, and there are these flowers which can help in flu. Or if
Okay.
there are any kind of liver issues, a swollen liver and things like that, there are quite a few ailments of the liver. So here, liver is generally because of anger. Liver is the seat of anger, it is said. So when you take remedies related to anger, getting down into what anger is that person carrying, because there are 9 different types of angers, then the liver would automatically start responding to it, and automatically when the emotional cause is starts showing its effects, automatically the liver would heal itself. That is how
Wow.
it works out.
Fantastic. And by this logic, every emotion will have some body part, and then you can work around everything. And as you mentioned, these remedies can be mixed. So this is superb. Vijay, this I have been waiting to ask this. How is it possible that these batch flowers, they're drops, they're physical drops. How can they help us with our emotional aspects? What is the science? How is it possible?
Okay. So there are two types of people here. Those people who
Mm-hmm.
understand the language of vibrations. So for them, the answer is this. Now, everything in this universe, even a non-living object, be it a living object, be it a non-living thing, has a certain frequency.
Right.
And that is why you see, if you go to a store, you will get attracted to a particular object and not the other one. So you know that that is a higher frequency thing. That is, you connect with those frequencies, those vibrations. So similarly, everything on this universe, you have a frequency in which you live. Everybody here has
Mm.
those frequencies in which they live. That is the state of consciousness, which we call it as. So all the flowers also have a certain frequency. Now, and actually it is actually a frequency, and those frequencies we share in the workshop. So when you are, say, in a lower frequency, that means when you are in a frequency of fear, so you are in a lower vibrational frequency. Now what is happening is that when you're taking a higher vibrational thing, whatever the higher vibration, the essence of that particular, of courage, a flower is called
Mm.
mimulus. That is the thing of courage. So when you're taking that, automatically your frequency is being raised. Like you move on to a house which has a beautiful energy, and then automatically your energy also escalates. Right? You are in the midst of people who are very positive. You also start becoming positive. So at a vibrational level, this is the reason, if you understand frequencies. So there is a particular frequency of a flower. When you start taking it slowly and steadily, you start rising to that frequency, and one day you become that frequency. Right? That is one way to look at it. If there are people who look at it from the medical perspective, you want to look at it more rationally from the medical perspective, when you take these essences, the drops, they get mixed with the fluid inside, with the water inside, which we know it is more than 60 to 70% of our body is water. So when they start getting mixed with the water becomes that, right? And when the
Yeah.
water becomes that, automatically you become that. So that is how it works. So this is how the batch flowers work actually.
It makes complete sense. I mean, there is no room for doubt. So it's quite foolproof, as you had mentioned earlier. So, Vijay, thank you. Let's move on. And as people have been typing their issues, we now know that they work on health issues by working on the emotional issues. Let us now look at some really unique situations, where batch flowers can help us. Like, you can't even guess where all batch flowers can help us. So, Vijay, can you share with us some situations like these?
Okay. So now we all know that we have an aura, right?
Mm-hmm.
We all know that. Now, an aura is an existence of you which is beyond the physical body. Similarly, your house also has an aura, and the walls, the ceilings, the floors of your house are the aura of your house. Now, what happens? I'll give you a situation. If you are in a place wherein there are a lot of arguments, counter arguments, a lot of angry discussions and things going on, all the negative stuff which goes on, right? What happens is that the house, it holds memory. The walls, the ceilings, and the floor, it holds memory. And that is why if you see, we always know that we need to do the swapping with the rock salt and things like that, and then it eases out. You start feeling much better. It removes the negativity. And what the negativity is? The negativity is nothing but a mirror of your emotional state. So the walls of the house, the ceilings, the floors, they hold your emotions. So what happens is that if let us talk about the harmony pack.
Mm.
So if you're taking the harmony pack and you're spraying harmony, the harmony pack, the harmony spray in your house. So what is happening is that you are healing yourself as well as the residue which is left in the aura of the house. If that is not catered to, what will happen is that you are cleared, you're slowly and steadily coming back to your normal self, right? You're getting healed, but then the house is holding that memory. So again, that is going to bounce back. So that is where these things you need to understand that from a little bit higher perspective, that that also needs to be clear. So that is where there are certain things like there is a harmony spray, there is a black magic spray, there is also a spray which can help to release spirits, which can also help to release entities or spirits. Of course, at a basic level, not the very you can't go to a Bhoot Bangla and you can say that, because that needs more this thing also. So yes, at a basic level, it and people have benefited. I have success stories where people have benefited from that. So it can also help to release spirits from the house. So that is where it is. Secondly, as I think I had shared earlier, as what happens that if there is a person who gets angry very fast, or if there is a person, yeah, let us take that hypothetical example that he gets angry very soon. Now he has got some liver issues. What happens is that when he does not, he heals the liver, that is healed. But then if he does not heal the anger, that is again going to go back and cause the liver issues, like we spoke about the cancer issues. So it is here that you need to break the loop. See, it is a loop, like between you and your house, between you and that your illness and your emotions. The loop is there, which needs to be broken. That means both need to be healed, both need to be catered to. So it is here that batch flowers they play a very important role in helping you heal in a foolproof method. Now, batch flowers can be helpful if people are harassing you. If there are people who are harassing you today by untoward methods, then batch flowers can play a very important role. And in fact, I have a success story wherein there was a person who was being threatened, and he was my friend, and he was being threatened by other people as to something happened in their business, and then they were threatening him through unfair means. And so when I started giving him those batch flowers, he took it for 2 3 days, and he said, "Keep phoning me." And then after a long time, there was a call which came from that those people. So they were talking on good terms. So that way also it can help you. It helps pets because they also go through the same emotions. Your cat, your dog, and all the pets, whatever it is, they go through the same emotions. So it helps them at the same way it helps us. It helps the plants, even the drooping plants, even the plants who have actually grown up and then they are not able to grow up completely. So those kind of things also. It helps in addictions very beautifully. I think my personal viewpoint is that I have not come across anything which is which is better than the flowers and addiction. There was a case. She was actually going to be there on a call here, but then she could not. There is a lady called Nisha from Surat.
Okay.
She had actually, after doing the class, she gave it to, she's not a healer, she gave it to a friend of sorry, a relative of hers who was actually into addictions. And in 30 days time, that person was having addiction from, I think, 16 years or something.
Oh my God.
And just 1 month dosage she gave, that person was completely transformed, completely out of his addictions.
Fantastic.
So it helps in addictions. Of course, in some chronic cases, you might need to take it more longer and not just those 30 days in which that should improve it. Of course,
But
it
they
differs
can
from,
be
yes, yes,
treated.
definitely.
Like Neha and Silky, they have asked for addiction. So hope you've got your answers, girls.
Yes,
Yeah,
and then
please
it
go
can
on.
be also used to enhance your money words. There is a
Oh.
money spray also, which of course we teach in the level 2, and you can make the money spray, and then you can spray it in your house, and there is also combination which is for money, and it can help you enhance your money words. And there are a lot of things, if you go deeper into the mind, you will come to know that so many things, they originate from the mind, from the emotions. Money, monetary issues I'm talking about. Fear and worry are the biggest repellents to money. So uh, it is called chromatophobia. If you can just Google and find out,
Mhm.
chromatophobia is the fear of money. So this chromatophobia, the fear of money, it can be healed through the batch flowers. Of course, it takes, if it is very deep, it can take a little bit of a time, but then yes, it can be healed through batch flowers. So it is money worlds also. It helps a lot to heal our money worlds and our money blockages especially, because when the blockages are gone, automatically you manifest. It is the blockages which have to go. Nothing else has to come in. Whatever is not working for you has to go off. So that's how it works.
Nice. Really, really fascinating. Vijay, Radhika is asking, how will these remedies work if the other person is not open to it, but they're just taking for the sake of it? Like, do you need to believe that they will work?
Not at all. There is a batch flower which is called gorse. Now, there
Mm-hmm.
is a person, for example, who is in a very hopeless state. Hopeless in the sense he's tried out everything and nothing has worked out. There are at least 2, 3 people who regularly text me. We have our different workshops. So they regularly text me, especially the money workshop, whenever it happens. They regularly text me. There are 2, 3 people. I have gone to many places, it has not worked out. So will this money workshop work for me? So of course, we though never, by principle, we never guarantee anything, although miracles have happened, but then we never guarantee anything. So I told, he said, Ki, I have lost hope because I've tried out so many things in 16 years, since 20 years. So it is at that time that a couple of them have told them, you take this remedy, which is called gorse, because that will help to revive hope inside you. When there is hope, then you will come and you will embrace whatever is required, because you need to keep on trying. If it is a karmic issue, it can be
Yeah.
X, Y, Z things, reasons can be so many. So whatever it is, but if you have lost hope, then nothing can work out. So even to revive hope, there is a bachelor remedy which is called gorse. So if you take that, then definitely you come into a state where you start hoping, yes, there is probably a golden sunrise possible. And it is then that he will become open and he can go and do whatever healing he wants. Not necessarily bachelor, he can go and take whatever healing he wants, or whichever way he wants, he can go and work out on his issues. So yes, so even if the other person does not believe, in fact, going a little bit further, even if the other person does not want to take the flowers, you can just mix the pills in the water or mix the pills in tea, and you can give it to them. He will not even know it. So that also, it works that way.
But Vijay, Meena is asking for this. If you heal one aspect like this, will it manifest as karma in another form?
No, when you are healing this, then definitely it is going off completely. These are divine flowers. So it is not like, okay, this is healed, so something, yeah. When you look into the human mind, the layers will peel off. That means once you have healed the anger, now anger is never a first-hand emotion. Anger is always a second-hand emotion, because anger always happens due to a trigger. Now, what is the trigger? That all is a different thing, and we can look at it later if we have time. So once the anger is healed, then the inner layer will open up. Okay, this is the thing now. This is the actual emotion now which needs to be healed. So that way you go on piercing your aura and removing that thing from the deepest root or the deepest core. But then yes, it is not that this is going to, if it is your karma and you're not going to get healed, you know what will happen? The therapist will not be able to give you a proper remedy or a proper combination. That will happen. But then if there is a proper remedy which has come, then that has the power to heal you completely. And when you do all these things, just leave aside the karma aspect, because when you are in the karma aspect and when you are looking into the karma aspect, the first thing you should take is guilt, because you are in that guilt, na, ki karma fir se aa jayega. Or you can take mimulus, because that is a fear of karma coming back, fear of karma striking. So all these things can be catered to, but if it is there at the back of your mind, that this is my karma and it is going to come back in any other form, then that fear needs to be healed first. Only then the healing is going to start.
Right. Vijay, this is great. Let's give a taste to everyone of how this works. Maybe can we do a few demos? So maybe we can take a couple of issues and then let's see how you help us with our concerns. So Vaishali had asked if there are any remedies for lifeless and dry hair. Can she be helped?
Yes, that is there in part 2. It can be held. That is application of batch flowers. That is not the intake of batch flowers. That comes under application of batch flowers. And batch flowers, they work so very well on the hair cutting, hair dandruff, hair loss, or hair not being good enough. So, or the quality of hair not being good. So it helps in that. So it definitely in the application part of it, that is covered.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Uh, Vijay, would you like to speak with Silky? She's asking remedies for claustrophobia, for fear of heights, and she's also looking for weight loss. So would you like to speak with her and, maybe help her with a few
Yeah.
insights?
Yeah, you can put it.
Silky, can you please unmute yourself? I have requested you.
Yeah. Yeah,
Hi.
actually, hi.
Silky, can you come on
Can you-
video, please? We
Yeah,
can't
I would.
figure where you are.
Yeah.
All right. Please go on.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, actually, I want to know, like, I have an issue with the claustrophobia. Like, I can't travel in the lift or in the aeroplane, or I can't go into the local room because it's all, I feel suffocated. So, is there any remedy for the claustrophobic issue?
Yes, there is. You can take Mimulus. Mimulus is for the fear of height. And
Okay.
Mimulus is for domestic fears. Mimulus is for all the fears you know.
Okay.
So
So,
Mimulus
I
is
can
the
take only Mimulus.
Yeah, of course, the other things also you need to take. You are carrying a trauma. You are
Okay.
carrying a trauma since long.
But
You,
I don't remember
yes,
anything like that.
traumas you will never remember. Only if it is a
Okay.
recent trauma you remember. So traumas, there are many types of traumas. There are birth traumas, there are womb traumas, there are early childhood traumas, there are incident traumas. That's something you were expecting to happen in your favor and it did not happen. Or something happened very suddenly. So generally when we talk about trauma, then sudden is the keyword. So something suddenly, some sudden setback has come into your life and you're carrying that particular trauma. So you need to heal for your trauma. And for that, the Star of Bethlehem is a good remedy to heal your trauma. And for the fear, it is Mimulus. You need to look into. And Mimulus is the name of the batch flower. Yes. And is there anything else which, along with this, which you would like to ask?
Like for the claustrophobic issue, also Mimulus will help me.
Claustrophobia is like you're feeling kind of choked up.
Yeah.
So in that, you can take agrimony and cherry plum. These are the two things which can help you, along with Mimulus.
Okay, because it's not only height, it's a closed room basically. It can be done in a room or in a washroom also because it's all closed. So it's not only on a height, it's anywhere.
Yes, I got it. So these things you can try, these remedies, and then accordingly. Yeah.
Thank you, Silky, for joining
Of course,
us.
then, of course, at a deeper level, when I do a detailed consultation, I would be probably able to shed more light. But in whatever little time is there, I think these are the things. But then you're carrying something beyond this also.
Okay.
Just work on that. Look into that.
Vijay, can we take on one more person at this moment?
Yeah.
Shreya is asking, is there any remedy for gallbladder and stones? You think?
Gallbladder.
Can we take her on?
Yeah, we can take her.
Shreya, can you unmute yourself, please? Shreya Singh, I have asked you to unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yeah, yes, you are. Can you come on
Yeah,
video,
so-
please?
Yeah, one sec.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. So I would like to know what the gallbladder basically signifies in terms of emotional relation. Like you said that liver is for anger and kidney is for fear. So what is the gallbladder all about? And if there is a stone, then what can be done?
So gallbladder, 1 minute. Let me just find out. Does anybody have the? Okay, let me just find out the mind only. Because if you go into the mental causes for physical ailments, it will show you as to what exactly is the. 1 minute. In the meantime, can you share with me what is your emotional state? What are the kind of fears you hold, or
So it's not about me, it's actually about my father. So I don't know about fears, but yeah, he is 61 years old
okay.
and he has this stone now, which has just come up.
Hmm.
And he had COVID recently, like last year he got COVID, and after that he recovered, and then we discovered that he's got a stone in his gallbladder. So I was just trying to understand what could be the
So that
reason.
is, of course, I've opened up the Louis Hay document, and it shows that it is for bitterness, it is for hard thoughts, it is for condemning, and it is for pride. So that is what the gallbladder stones they signify. So if you can connect to any of this, then yes, for bitterness, the remedy is willow.
Okay.
This is one of the remedies. Of course, when we get into a detailed consultation, then we can get into the other things as well. But then this is one of the remedies which is going to help him. And secondly, rock water, because the thoughts are very hard thoughts. So that is to the point of rigidity. So rock water and willow can work well. Walnut can also work well.
Okay.
These three things at least.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is how it works. Like the more as we do a consult,
Yeah.
we will get to know more about it.
That's what.
I
Thanks,
had one
Shreya, for
personal
joining.
question. I mean, I have hair loss. So, is there any remedy which I can use for my hair loss, which helps in growing my hair?
Hair loss, yes, there is something which we teach in the level 2. I will not be able to tell you here because that is about application. And for application, you really need to go through the level 1 first and then go into the level 2 to understand how to apply, because that has a particular methodology. So
Oh.
that, yeah, even if I tell you, that is not going to help you.
Mm.
Right?
Okay.
Thanks, Shreya, for joining. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So, it's important we mentioned, Vijay, that, we're just taking a few minutes with everyone, and just by listening to their issue, you're already able to give them the remedies. But in a proper consultation with you, or even better, learning this with you, we'll be able to understand all these things and do these things for ourselves.
Yes.
So, if time permits, let's do a few more demos later on. But for now, Vijay, can you tell us, you are on a mission. You share this with me that every house should have a Bach flower specialist. So can you tell us, shed more light on this?
Okay. So in Hindi, it is called Har Ghar Mein Bach flower. That is what is the Nara kind of.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, now Bach flowers, these beautiful divine flowers, these can be used anytime, anywhere, with everybody, with anybody. And the most important thing is that if there is, let us take a situation wherein there is an emergency which has come in the family, okay, right? You yourself are a healer, and then something has happened to you. Say a COVID thing has happened, or a COVID symptoms have shown up, which are naturally the trend nowadays. So this can be this in this state. What happens is that you actually are not in a state of mind, right? Wherein you go and you are a healer yourself, so you cannot heal yourself at that time, because the state of mind is that, because you are not connected at that time, you are yourself in lower vibrations. It is there that you need something which is automated. It is something that you take it and then it happens. You are relieved of that particular thing. So it is here that batch flowers can actually help you a lot. Now, children, there are so many problems related to children. We all have, like somebody said,
Yeah.
not studying. Then there are people, children who do not listen. Then there are children who actually go and then they don't come back on time and things like that. So for all these things, you cannot keep on healing. It is here that sometimes you need some things which are like kind of an automated cure. So it is here that batch flowers play a very important role, and it is here that that every household I always suggest should have a batch flower therapist, because it not just helps you, it helps your immediate family, it helps your loved ones also, even if you're not doing it on a commercial basis.
Yeah. And you know, the example you shared earlier where the lady was able to help the bank manager, that's really amazing, because if there is an emergency, you can always call on these remedies, you know. And we've shared a poster on the group mentioning all these points which you just shared. So Vijay, we still have some more important things you're going to share with us, like you're going to share with us a remedy, we can do it on our own, and let's see if we can take a few more demos. But Vijay, are we ready to share with people your offer, you know, about your workshop, about your personal consultation? Can we go through those?
Yeah, definitely.
All right. So can we have it on the screen, please? So what do we have, Vijay?
Yeah, so this is, let me bring it on. Yeah, so let me take you through this. So this is the level 1. Level 1 is from the 26th to the 31st of July. That is next to next week. That is from Monday on to Friday, and it is at 9:30 to 11 p.m. Indian time. And this is a workshop of 1.5 hours, of course, every day for 6 days. So it comes to a total of around 9 hours. And this covers everything. This covers how to learn and mix the properties, first of all the 38 remedies. Then how to learn and create the mixture, because that is what is most important. That is as in how to take it. Of course, not just stopping there. You even learn how to do counseling, because you need to you might be a counselor in the other healing modalities, but then batch flowers is a different game altogether. So you should know how to do the counseling and then giving the remedies and mixing what should be the priority of the remedies also. And then of course there is a revision session. 1 month support is there on WhatsApp, and certificate. This is a certified course. There is a manual which is 50 plus pages, and of course the call replay is there for 3 days. The YouTube link would be shared. So if you miss a particular session, it is there on YouTube for the next 3 days, and you can pick it up from there, and then you can go through that, and then come back and rejoin the next day again. That is how that is what is covered in level 1. And not just this, 50 combinations I give out in the level 1. That means 50 ready combinations. For example, there is a harmony pack. So there is a ready combination. You just kind of mix those flowers and you get going. So these are the 50 basic things, like, and that covers a couple of things like Mangal dosha if you have, or if you have Shani dosha, that is also covered in these 50 combinations. So you just have a ready-made thing. I give you the names of the flowers. The only thing you have to do is that once you learn how to make and mix, you just procure those flowers and you mix it. And the second level covers batch flower sprays, how to make the sprays, how to apply batch flowers, the application. And it is a 3-day course from the second, third, and the fourth. Again, 9:30 to 11, and the same way it goes on. So that is more of application. Once you learn about what are the properties of each batch flowers, then application as to how to go about it, to apply it on what part of the body and what it indicates. So that can be done even a knee pain. So you apply batch flower to a knee pain in the methodology, in the proper methodology, and a lot of differences people have found. So that's all it covers. Lot of sprays are covered in level 2.
All right.
So it is a 3-day course, level 2. Yes, so this is it. 9 categories of mental emotional state. This is level 1, how to make combinations, how to do counseling, 10 different ways in which to use, 2 or 3 we discussed today, 3 ways in which you can prepare. Star remedies are the most overlooked ones, which you will not find it online in the batch course. This is one which is my own study. So these are some of the overlooked remedies. Then there is a buddy system, like whatever number of people are there, there are 2 people who actually help out each other during these 30 days time. To once they go through the course, then they are buddies to each other for the whole month, and then they actually help each other detect the remedies. And of course, if there is a doubt, then they come back to me. And then of course there is a very short test of 5 questionnaire, 5 to 7 questions as to what exactly would be required in these kind of situations. So that is about the level 1. Yeah, of course, the PDF certificates, and yeah, should you want to revise this later on, it would be at a 50% off. Whenever you choose to revise this, say after 8 months, after a year, 2 years, you want to revise this back. So whenever it happens, you have a 50% off on whatever the existing energy exchanges are.
Yeah. And like I'd like to add that, you know, every workshop, every session of Vijay is like a new session, you know. So, you know, it's like a completely new experience, I must say. So, Vijay, usually how much does this charge and what are we having today?
Generally, the charge is 18,000 if you're looking at everything. If you put down the value of everything, and then of course the offer for today is, if you can have the next slide, it is at 6,000 rupees, and of course it is valid
Wow.
for 24 hours. So it is straight off what, 1/3, 33%, right? A 67% off.
67%.
You're getting
That's
it at
fantastic.
33%.
And there is an even more attractive offer coming up for both the levels. So, you know, I'd like to, can you go to the next screen, please? And Vijay, we know that level 2 is like exclusive to you and you do a lot of your own research and a lot of new stuff you have added to this. Please tell us more about level 2.
Yeah, so level 2, as I described in a nutshell, it is about sprays for harmony, cleansing a particular place, or black magic in a place, even a money spray, removing the spirit from a place. Even you have a bachelor to increase the value of a place. So if you want to increase the value of your house, and if you're in the process of selling it, so there is a spray for that. So that can help. Then there are bath remedies. So this can help you to protect your aura or to remove all the negative energies that you're holding. So when you take bath with these things, they help you, and immediately you will feel much better. So that is there. Then the application for pain is there. For weight loss, there is an application where you have to apply it to the part where you feel that you need to reduce. Then it is for hair growth, dandruff issues, hair issues. It works very well, beautifully. It is for aura cleansing, removing negative influences. All these things are there. And of course, it is batch flower for life situations also. There are quite a few batch flowers which help you in life situations. Like as I told you, if people are harassing you, then if you take that particular batch flower, they will stop harassing you, kind of. So there are quite a few batch flowers, at least I think more than 10 or 12, wherein once you start taking that can help you in your life, challenging life situations also. So that is what it is. And yeah. So the same thing here. And of course, the thing is here is that in this level 1 and 2, if you go with me, you have one batch flower card reading. Now this is exclusive, wherein I do the batch flower card reading also. Of course, that I don't teach, or I have not gone down into teaching that so far. So I will do the batch flower card reading for all those who are there in the level 2, or whatever the package B here. So one reading for the emotional state which is stopping money from coming into your life, right? So that is what is the level 2 about. So in addition to whatever the level 1 and 2, this is the bachelor card reading, which is free for everybody who are into the package B, right? And this will help you to detect the primary cause of your money issues. So the usual price, if you look into the value, it is 30,000, but then it comes to you at just 10,000.
Fantastic. That's amazing. You
So
know,
this is
and-
also 67%,
yeah,
right, Shilpa?
yeah, yes,
So this
it
is also
is.
67%.
Mm-hmm.
But then, of
Oh.
course, the value what you get in package B is way beyond what you can think of at this point of
Indeed.
time, because there are certain things in package B which are very exclusive, which not all, but one or two things there are quite exclusive, which it is
Yes.
my own study and my own research.
Yes. In fact, you shared with me that more than 50% of level 2 is, you know, your own creation. And we know a lot of people who have benefited from this. In fact, we are going to invite somebody really soon. But this is great, you know, Vijay. And if anybody who wants to work with you on one-on-one basis, do we have something for them?
Yeah, so if anybody wants to have a consult and they want uh,
Oh,
the okay.
Sorry, Vijay, before that, can you quickly share with us what you do only in your workshop?
Okay.
This is all exclusive to only Vijay's workshop.
Yeah, so the thing is that when you learn, there are 38 remedies. So there is a very high possibility that you tend to forget, or you might not be able to grasp very easily. So it is here that quite a few of the flowers I teach through the memory pegging method, wherein it just sticks into your mind. So that is something which I have developed by myself. So that is one thing. And there is one flower, there is a combination rather of flowers, which helps you to master a particular subject. I mastered bachelor's through that technique. So the same way you will be shared those things, as in where you will also be able to take those particular flowers and then master this particular subject. So that will help you to learn in a much easier way and in a much faster way. And you have a buddy system, as we have already discussed, and of course then become thorough with what essences or remedies can be required for your immediate family, because as you go on, the methodology which I adapt is that you need not look into what are the remedies which are required for you or your immediate family after you do the workshop. While you're doing the workshop, we actually go through, wherein at the end of the workshop, you know that my father requires this remedy, my mother requires this, my daughter requires this, my spouse requires this. So you are at the end of the workshop, you know that this is the list of the batch flowers will be required by my father, by my mother. And now how to go about it, then about the mixing and all that, that thing is the only thing that remains to be done later. So this is also what is something exclusive, which I have actually, I do it in my system. So there is, you by default get into knowing what is what for your home folks.
All right. Vijay, can we quickly take a few questions related to the workshop?
Yeah.
So people are asking what kind of certification this is. Is it a participation certificate? Is it UK batch, original UK batch certification? What kind of a certificate is this?
So this certification is from our end. It is a Sattva-Kirni certificate. It is a certificate of participation. This is not the UK batch center certificate, because that is the original center in UK. But then their courses, they teach you the basic course, and I think that is more than 15,000 or so by this thing. What I'd heard last, they used to charge around 17 or 18,000. I think a year or two back I had actually. Somebody had told me. So I'm not exactly aware, but then yeah, this is not the original batch center wala certificate. But having said that, when you are doing your work and when you are doing it, nobody is going to ask you today. Nobody asks you whether you are the original batch center certificate or you have a certificate from someone else. So it all depends on your expertise, how you understand the remedies, how you connect with the remedies, and you give it to people and people benefit.
Right. And Vijay, what are the, is the batch flower kit included in the package A and B, and do we get them easily outside?
So the batch flower kit is not included in this. This is all about the understanding and the teaching methodology and the things like that. Batch flower kit is actually, you get it outside at any homeopathic store. So if you're looking for a local Indian kit, then the whole set of 39 comes to you at lesser than 5,000 rupees. The whole kit, a 30 ml bottle of each, it comes to you at lesser than 5,000 rupees. So it is that economical.
That's fantastic. It's like,
And it is very easily and readily available at
Hmm.
all. It is even available at Amazon. On Amazon.
nice. And Shivani asked just that. And Vijay, you also guide everybody to
Yes, which is a good
getting the
brand,
right,
how to go about it.
yeah,
Yeah, all those things are by default. So there will be no question which will be left in the mind.
exactly.
Yeah, once you
Yeah.
finish the course.
Yeah, and nobody has to worry about getting the right materials. Vijay is going to guide you with that. And also, don't worry about the originality of the essences, because Vijay is going to help you through that. And Vijay, uh, Amrish just shared that the level 1, just the level 1 from UK Batch Center is for 246 pounds, and that comes to more than rupees 25,000.
Oh, is it?
Just level 1, yes. So this is fantastic, and you also mentioned that after practicing this, you can even share these remedies with others. So this is a great deal, I must say.
Yes.
Yeah. So Vijay will come to the more questions. People, please keep typing your workshop related questions. In the meanwhile, Vijay, can you tell us about your personal consultation with you?
Yeah, so the personal consultation, if anybody, as we just spoke to a couple of people here, so if there is anybody who wants a remedy for themselves, and why I talk about themselves is that probably you might not be in a position to explain or to reiterate everything what the other person is feeling. So it has to come out from the horse's mouth. So it is a session which lasts around 45 minutes, and it is a one-on-one consultation which will be done on Zoom or on phone if it is a local call. And then it is, once I know that, I will be couriering you the remedies if it is in India. And then the cost of this is, so, and this includes the 1 month remedy. And after that, you have to spend for the remedy, not the consultation. After that, the consultation would take just 5 to 10 minutes. After 1 month, dosage gets over, depending on what has worked, what has not, and what is the difference. And based on that, the next combination is made, and then that is courier at whatever, then the actual cost of the remedy comes into the picture. And here the courier charges are included. And this is, yeah, Amish, if you can bring this on. So the original price of this is 3,000, which of course comes to you at 2250. So if you feel that, okay, you don't want to go in for the bachelor workshop and you just want the remedies for you, that also is possible. That also can be.
Yeah. And it's just not a consultation. You also give 1 month remedy, and that is included in the price in
that is
India.
Included. The courier charges all over India are included.
And this is great, Vijay. This is really fantastic. We'll quickly take on some more questions related to the workshop. Before that, I'll quickly recap for everyone. The level 1 course, okay, both the levels are certified. Level 1, regular price 18,000 rupees, 282 US dollars. Only for 24 hours, you get it for 6,000 rupees and 94 US dollars. Package B includes both the levels. Regular price rupees 30,000 USD, 470. And in 24 hours, if you book it, you get it at just 10,000 rupees and 157 US dollars. And level 1 and 2 is like really an unbeatable combination, I must say. And if you want to go for a personal consult with Vijay, he also includes the 1 month remedy. He will ship it to you at no charge if you're in India. And that entire cost usually costs up to rupees 3,000 and US dollars 47. But for 24 hours, it comes at a good discount for rupees 2,250 and US dollars 36. If you're outside India, you will have to pay for the shipping charges. Vijay, this is great. This is really very generous of you, and these are great offers. It's like just level 1 with, if you do it from the UK Batch Center, it's 25,000 rupees. Here, you're giving both the levels for just 10,000 rupees, and there are a lot of bonuses. I mean, I would love to repeat the bonuses.
And one more thing, Shilpa.
Yeah,
let me reiterate here is that the level 2 is not there. It does not exist in the Batch Center. So it does not exist there at all. So this is something which I have actually formulated, and then it was the sprays and then how to apply that is not covered in the batch centers batch log.
Mhm. That's a very key point you just mentioned. So that's like icing on the cake.
There is a homeopath called Dietmar Kremer, and he actually got into studying the batch flowers further, and then he came up with the applications of batch flowers as to how to apply it, where to apply it. So there is a book
Mhm.
wherein once you purchase that book, you come to know as to where all what to apply, but then how to apply and all the nitty-gritties about it, that you need to go through a workshop to understand more.
Of
So when we
course.
talk about application of batch flowers, we refer to Dietmar Kremer's book, and based on that, we take our study.
Okay. That will help, and always a professional is better to do it on your own. So Vijay, we have somebody with us today who has done this workshop with you, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from her. Sai, can you please unmute yourself and share with us your experience?
Hi all.
Hi.
Hi. Actually, I have learned many healing modalities, but when I learned batch flower therapy from Vijay sir, it was like very different. In the sense that it works automatically.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, we don't have to sit and do the healing every day. We don't have to spend time on it. And second, we don't have to worry oh, I wonder if my healing has reached that person and will it be effective or not. So we don't have to spend energy on it. Just give the remedy and it will take care of the healing. And third, it is very economical. Like it is
Mm-hmm.
uh, affordable by anyone. So no qualifications required. Even the students can learn. And there are many experiences, personal as well as for others also. It has worked very well. To speak of a personal experience, like I was a very impatient kind of a person.
Mm-hmm.
I would jump from one thought to another. And then Vijay sir suggested me a remedy and I started taking it. And within a few days, like I could see my own mind start thinking step by step, and the mind changed automatically, like just by taking the remedy.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I was very stubborn, and I took a batch flower remedy as suggested by sir, and now I can feel my mind is melting and softening, and it is very wonderful to see our own, thinking patterns changing, like which are formed from so many years, like probably since childhood. The thinking patterns are formed, right? So it's
Right.
amazing to observe our own mind opening up like that. And to speak of someone else's experience, so my friend's teenage son was like he just wouldn't study. He would
Mm-hmm.
time aimlessly, and he would keep sleeping for long hours. And he would during the online classes when the teacher used to ask questions, he used to just open up the internet and give the answers, like without he did not like to study and all. So many complaints were coming about him, and he never listened to his mother, and always he found faults in her cooking and all. And recently, what happened that he posted something very controversial on the social media, and it attracted some goons, and they came and beat him up. And his parents had to pay 25,000 rupees to get him out of the trouble. So his mother called me up asking like if there is any solution for his behavior. So I suggested a batch flower therapy for him, and they agreed to it. And he started taking the remedy. And after 15 days, his mother sent me a message that now he has started getting up early in the morning, and he does puja, and he sits for studying, and it
Wow.
becomes easier, and he doesn't argue with her anymore. He's focusing on studies now, and she was very surprised and happy. And it is not even very expensive. Like uh, within a few hundred rupees, she could achieve so much. Like it's very very effective, and it was just a simple and effective solution for a difficult problem. So thanks to Vijay sir for giving such a simple and effective modality. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai, for coming and sharing. And you covered everything, you covered how it's working for you, for your friend's child, and also for multiple issues. So thank you for coming and sharing with us today. Really appreciate you joining us. Thank you.
Beautiful. I was not knowing. Of course, she texted me yesterday that when I told her that if you can come and give a testimony. So she shared with me because of lack of time, I couldn't go through the complete post. But then it's beautiful that somebody
Yeah.
was being threatened and all these things, and there is a major turnaround. So it's wonderful, wonderful because when such a thing happens, then definitely it actually brings out that hope into you that yes, when these things can happen, then definitely why can't other things also happen? So beautiful, very nice, Sai,
Yeah.
and thank you for being here. Thank you for coming.
So Vijay, let's
Yes.
move on. And we had done the test on email, and we had also shared it on the group. So can you quickly take us through the results? And then Namrata is asking, what is the DIY remedy? So if you could share that with us.
DIY, what
Really,
is DIY?
do-it-yourself remedy about the yellow flower.
Yeah. So yeah, coming to the results first. Now, if your total in all the 15 questions, and of course the questions have been posted and everybody has gone through that. So if it is, the total is less than 60.
Okay.
So if the total of all the 15 questions is less than 60, you are doing good. You are in an emotional balance. You are doing good. And you just need to enhance it. That's it.
Okay.
And of course, work on probably the things which are higher on numbers there. Coming to the second thing, if it is between 60 to 70, then you're going through mediocre stress. You're going through fluctuating emotions, sometimes good, sometimes bad, and things like that. And in your external life, there will be problems on and off. The life situations will be on and off challenging. Like today it's good, probably tomorrow there is something comes up, day after tomorrow something gets resolved, then after that something comes up. So you are living in that state of consciousness. If it is 70 to 90, then you're having a lot of emotions and you will be having a lot of life issues also outside. So that is about it. And if it is 90 plus, then you are in the red zone. It is really that you need to work on it immediately. In the last two states, you need to work on it immediately because it is an extreme case and you might be going through a lot of life issues also externally, which will be very challenging and very difficult. In the last two states, the life situations will be really difficult to let go of because the emotional state says it all. So these are the four categories. Wherever you fall into, that becomes your score, and you actually live that kind of a life. You actually live that kind of a life.
And Vijay, the whole call is an answer to the fact that patch flowers can help people in the last two stages of stress. Like any form of stress, you can fall on patch flowers. So Vijay, share with us the remedy, which Kavita ji has come up with. Please tell that story and share that remedy.
So it's there on our website also. So here it was. There are these beautiful yellow flowers if you see, and these are very local. They're available everywhere. These domestic. This is like a domestic plant. It is like a tree. These tree have these yellow flowers, and very common, very common. It is also called a golden chain. Sometimes they call it and things like that. So what happens is that one day Kavita ji, this was around 4 5 years back. One day she was just sitting and she thought of speaking to these flowers. They attracted her so much that the flowers themselves actually were this thing that they wanted to speak to her. So she connected with them. And then the flower, she told Kavita ji that there is a botanical name. I don't know that. Not I'll search out and put it up in the group. And she said that you can call me Krista. So Kavitaji asked that whether that is your name. So she said, no, my name is something else, but I like to be called Krishna. So she said, everything in the universe, or generally every flower, everything has a particular purpose. So what is your purpose? So the flower said, Krishna said, that my purpose is love, to help you open up your heart chakra, to help you discover love with yourself and with other, with your loved ones, with your family members and everybody around you. I am for all those people who are finding it difficult to self-love or love themselves. I can work wonders. So then we asked as to how can we use you. So she said, number one, whatever flowers are there down, you can pick it up if they're not become dirty. Or if you want to pluck the flowers, just take the permission at a subconscious this thing at a subtle level, inner level. Just take the permission, then pluck the flowers and grind them, make a paste of them, and apply it on your heart center. You can just apply it on the heart center, and that's it. Leave it at that for some time. It will help open up your heart chakra. So if you're doing that every day, it's going to work wonders for your heart chakra. It will help you to discover more love, more peace, more self-love also, not just love for others, love for yourself also. So that was the message from Krishna. And of course, when we channeled that, there were quite a few people who had actually done that exercise, and they had actually reported a lot of difference in how they feel. They felt that their heart has expanded. So yes, you can also try. And these are very common flowers. Generally, they are seen in the summertime and all. If you go down the highway, there will be this yellow, and they keep falling. The flowers, they keep falling. So these are the very common type of flowers which are found everywhere. Every city you will have these kind of trees which the flowers they will keep on. And of course, I think you've shared the photo also in the Telegram group. So from there you will be able to have much more idea about what this flower is. So you can use it that way, and then it can help you. It can help you open up your heart center.
Beautiful, Vijay. Thank you so much for sharing. And please convey our thanks to Kavita ji also for coming up with this. Quick question, Vijay Namrata is asking, do you grind these flowers with water or just plain flowers?
You can just, these flowers, what we just spoke about.
Yeah,
even the manual way, you can just grind it.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Vijay, we have some quick important questions related to the workshop. Shivani is asking, will the certificate allow me to practice as a batch flower practitioner? Yes, right?
Yes. Yeah. I also have a similar certificate from wheresoever I've done. I have a similar certificate. So that's it.
All right. Age group is asking, are the sprays available in the market? The sprays, Vijay, please, Vijay.
Yeah,
please
no, they are not available.
They are not available. Vijay teaches you, Vijay shares the sprays with you in the level 2. And Neha is asking, can we start our own consultation after doing this course?
Absolutely. That is how you make the most of it. Now, Sai today, she was doing other workshops with me. So somehow I told her that there is some emotional quotient which you are holding on, and you require batch flowers. And with that, she just heard me out, and she immediately registered for the batch flower. And you see how she's helping other people. Yeah. So definitely yes.
Very nice. Very great share by Sai. And Deborah is asking, what if we can't do the level 2? What if we can't match the dates now, but we can do it in August? Is that possible if we join a later batch?
You can join a later batch if you want. You can join a later batch, but then of course this offer is there for this batch.
Yeah, of course. All right. So this is great. And Vaishali says, I read that there are many different flower essences which are also used besides 38. Will those also be taught in the course? Yeah, Vijay shared that there are more than 50 applications, and there are many more flowers he'll be covering. Like
the flowers are 38. The flowers are 38 only. There are no flowers beyond 38. So by Dr. Batch,
number 39.
Yeah, 39 is the rescue number.
Yeah, that's like.
So that is what Dr. Batch had, and then this is what is going to be the subject in the workshops. And the combinations, there are a lot of combinations. I have 50 ready combinations which I will share as a part in the manual also.
Right. Yeah. I meant to say that the flowers, there are multiple combinations, and that makes it like more than 38, more than 50 combinations of flowers. And Vijay is asking, Vijay, do you have this workshops in person?
In person, I used to have, but then since
Yeah.
the COVID thing, we have stopped that. Now it is on Zoom.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, we are close to the end of this call, and we would quickly like to remind you of the offers again. Can we have it back on the screen, please? We'll quickly uh, revise the prices. Okay. So the batch flower level 1, usually it's for 18,000 rupees, $282. Today you're getting it for 6,000 rupees, 94 US dollars. Package B includes both level 1 and 2, and you're getting that for only rupees 10,000 and US dollars 157. And package C is a personal consultation, and it includes 1 month's remedy, which Vijay will ship to at no extra cost. Usually it charges for rupees 3,000 and US dollars 47. And for the next 24 hours, you get it for rupees 2,250 and US dollars 36. So thank you. And some more questions have come up, Vijay. Kunjan, you'll have to please repeat your question. And Zenal is asking that I wanted to join the course, but on 31st, she is not available. Yeah, Zenal, Vijay can take this up on the group after the VA workshop, after the masterclass. And Vijay, anything else? Would you like to share anything with everybody before we end?
I would, yeah. I would like to share one thing. Let me pull out that document. I would
Yeah.
like to share that. That is very important. That is what. Yes, 1 minute. I'll just share this.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see the screen.
Yeah, I've shared it on the group also.
Yeah. So Dr. Batch says that this system of treatment is the most perfect, which has been given to mankind within living memory. It has the power to cure disease, and in its simplicity, it may be used in the household. It is its simplicity combined with all healing effects that it is so wonderful. No science, no knowledge is necessary apart from the simple methods described herein. And they who will obtain the greatest benefit from this God-sent gift will be those who keep it pure as it is, free from science, free from theories, for everything in nature is simple. This system of healing, which has been divinely revealed unto us, shows that it is our fears, our cares, our anxieties, and such like that open the path to the invasion of illness. Thus, by treating our fears, our cares, our worries, and so on, we not only free ourselves from our illness, but the herbs given to us by the grace of the Creator of all, in addition, take away our fears and worries and leave us happier and better in ourselves. So that is what Dr. Batch himself had said about these divine flowers. So you can understand, I don't know if it has to come from within you, the vibrations of the flowers and the vibrations of the message. You need to connect to the vibrations of the message.
Beautiful, Vijay. Shivani is saying beautiful as well. And that's a great note to end the call with. Vijay, thank you so much. You've shared so much information today. Thank you so much for that. And thank you everyone for joining today. It was a great call. Thank you for your participation and sharing your Saturday with us. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Amrish. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, and bye-bye. See you.
See you. Thank you. Bye.